Hot water is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. But with energy costs on the rise, finding an efficient, reliable, and eco-conscious solution has never been more important. Copeland heat pumps harness energy from the air to deliver hot water efficiently, up to 70% more efficient than electric geysers and steady hot water supply. Diesel or LPG boilers, they're a thing of the past. Copeland heat pumps reduce emissions, paving the way for cleaner, more sustainable, and climate-friendly living. Copeland's Green Pro certified models reflect our commitment to sustainability, ranging from 3 kilowatts to 86 kilowatts. Our portfolio meets the needs of residential and commercial buildings with precision and efficiency. And it doesn't stop there. With smart, user-friendly controls, these systems effortlessly adapt to your lifestyle, running automatically to ensure you always have hot water when you need it. Copeland heat pump is truly world-class. Enjoy lower energy bills, a smaller carbon footprint, and reliable performance you can count on.